Every time you instantiate a class directly, you're making a commitment that could haunt you later. The core reason to reach for a factory is decoupling. When you call Postgres database directly, your code is locked to that class. If the constructor signature changes, or you need to swap in a mock or a different implementation, every single call site breaks. A factory hides that behind one function, so the rest of your code only depends on an interface, not a concrete type. Factories shine when you have a family of related classes. Imagine a notification system that sends email, SMS, or push messages. A factory maps a channel string to the right class, so adding a new notification type means updating one dictionary, not hunting through your entire codebase. Factories also defer instantiation to runtime. Instead of hard-coding your database driver, read the backend type from an environment variable and hand it to the factory. The right object is created at startup, making your application fully configurable without touching source code. Factories also improve testability. Inject a factory that returns mocks instead of real objects, no monkey patching required. And when construction involves multiple dependencies or resource allocation, keeping all of that logic in one factory prevents it from leaking everywhere else. Use the factory pattern to decouple creation from usage, handle multiple related types, and keep tests fast. Follow for more Python patterns. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.